so long, I can hardly recall your name. But she said if I obliged, she would take me by surprise one day. And I can still recall what she said to me. I don't have to break away with every new day. Am I coming across to you? Do the things that I say and do make you stay away? Please don't leave today. Oh, I don't want to be alone. I just want to be the one that has a place in the heart of a special woman. I'm still waiting for you. Are we finally to the end? When it's all said and done, it was just a lot of fun to you. And I can still recall